Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now the Prime Minister, Andrew Holness, recently announced that the government will be building an urban center in Clarkstown. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Now Trelawny is quickly emerging as a major player in the tourism sector in Jamaica. You have towns like Ocho Rios, Negril, Montego Bay, but towns or areas in Trelawny, like Cooper's Pen, has numerous hotels and a lot more on the construction or a lot more to be built. Falmouth has the #1 cruise ship pier in Jamaica, so this town it's growing. A lot of investment is coming, and you have, I know people don't like when I say it, you have locations like KFC, Pizza Hut coming to Falmouth. They're already here. Plazas are being built, expanded. The government is putting in infrastructure. But Falmouth is an old town and it has limited space. So to build an urban center now, they are looking at another town, Clarkstown, not too far from Falmouth, but there is a lot of space in that area. And also the urban center will definitely bring economic resurgence to Clarkstown. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Clarkstown, located in the parish of Trelawny, has long been a community with deep historical and economic significance. Once a bustling town supported by the Long Pond Sugar Factory and sugarcane cultivation, the community has struggled in recent years following the factory's closure in 2017. This shutdown not only led to widespread job losses but also contributed to the decline of commercial activity and the vibrancy of the town. Against this background, Prime Minister Andrew Holness's announcement that Clarkstown will be developed into a modern urban center marks a potentially transformative step for both the community and the wider parish of Trelawny. The initiative forms part of the Jamaica Labour Party's broader vision to redevelop rural townships across the island into modern, self-sustaining urban centers. The first example of this vision is the Morant Bay Urban Center in St. Thomas, which has created a model of integrated development that brings together government services, business opportunities, and community infrastructure. The plan for Clarkstown, therefore, is not an isolated promise, but a continuation of a national policy to rebalance economic growth across Jamaica by reducing overdependence on Kingston and Montego Bay. Economically, the development of Clarkstown into an urban center has the potential to spark revitalization in Trelawny. The creation of new commercial zones, retail outlets, and service hubs will encourage private investment and job creation. With modern infrastructure including upgraded roads, utilities, and ICT connectivity, Clarkstown could attract both local entrepreneurs and external investors. This is especially important in the wake of the decline of the sugar industry, as diversification into services, commerce, and light industry could provide new economic lifelines for residents who previously depended on agriculture. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.